Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious sweet recipe. We'll be seeing how to prepare Kashi Halwa or Ashgod Halwa at home. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 small size Ashgod, around 6 to 7 saffron strand, 1/4 to half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of homemade ghee, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi powder, and finally handful of cashew nut. Firstly, to begin with, take the saffron strand in a bowl and into that add 3 to 4 tablespoons of lukewarm water. Now mix this well and allow this to rest for minimum 15 to 20 minutes before further use. For this recipe, I'll be using saffron water as a natural food coloring. You can add artificial food coloring if required for extra color. Next, take the ashgod and peel the outer skin of it with the help of a peeler. Later chop them into equal half and further into quarter and de-seed them completely. Next, grate the ashgod pieces with the help of a grater. Here for this halwa preparation, I have taken 1.5 cup of grated ashgod. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and into that transfer the grated ashgod. Now saute and cook this in low to medium flame until the ashgod color changes into a little darker shade and the water completely evaporates. Once the water completely evaporates, into this add the sugar and the saffron water and give everything a good mix. Now cook this further in low to medium flame for another 15 to 20 minutes. Next, into this add the cardamom or elaichi powder and give everything a good mix. Now saute and cook this further in low to medium flame until the halwa reduces nicely. Once the sugar is completely absorbed by the halwa, later into this add 1/4 cup of homemade ghee and give everything a good mix. Your halwa is done once the ghee starts to release from the corners and also the halwa begins to separate from the kadai. You can stop further cooking at this stage and next take a tempering pan and into that add 2 teaspoons of homemade ghee and a handful of cashew nut and ghee roast this until the cashew nuts turn golden brown. Transfer the ghee roasted cashew nut into the halwa and give everything a good mix. Now your delicious Kashi halwa is ready. You can see how perfectly it is done. So do try this delicious recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.